When they come, they'll come for the fatties first. While we can easily distinguish this gym ad from a public health campaign around obesity, it's not always so clear. Headless images of unwitting subjects used to illustrate nightly news stories about the latest obesity research, a form of public health messaging, one could argue, abound. And I've wondered, is this for a comedic effect or meant to elicit fear, outrage, or shame? Public health has struggled in its war against obesity, particularly in communities of color, as it tries to fight against a perceived cultural reverence of larger bodies. And while Black women experience stigma and serious health disparities on one hand, studies show that they experience higher levels of body positivity, buffering themselves from the negative health consequences of body weight obsession in the dominant cultural milieu. Sometimes. My research and the development of a preliminary brochure proposes exploring the outcomes of a radical shift in messaging, which focuses on quality of life and encourages this body positivity. Perhaps such an approach can at once close the gaps in healthcare disparities while broadening our understanding of what it means to be healthy, happy, and well. Thank you.